rotten cancer of the fascist Reich ravages Europe like a plague. The relentless drive into our motherland steals the lives of men, women, and children alike. The arrogance of their leaders is matched only by the brutality of their soldiers. These are the darkest days of the Nazi occupation of Stalingrad. I need your help. Do what I say, and we can avenge this massacre. My ancient hand means I can no longer aim. But you will do it for me. Take my rifle and watch the road. The monarch in the car is General Heimech amesl, architect of Stalingrad's misery. He is responsible for the cold-blooded murder of men, women, and children. Not just here, but throughout the motherland. For 3 days, I have hunted him. For 3 days, luck alone has saved his wretched life. Sniping your enemy is like hunting any other animal. Fire at the wrong moment and your chance will be forever lost. Patience. If we reveal our position to amsel's men, this fight will be our grave. Now, load your rifle, but hold your fire. Wait until the bombers are directly overhead. The sound of the engines will drown out your shot. Ready? Shoot now! Watch out! The dog! Hurry! Before the bombers pass! Excellent aim. You are a natural hunter. Time to close in for the kill. This way. Shots. Armored patrol. We must find another route to amesl. Stay low and follow me. This way, before they discover the day. For days, I've crept through shadows like a rat. This place, once echoed with conversations of friends and lovers. No longer. Mark my words, comrade. One day things will change. We will take the fight to their land, to their people, to their blood. This way. Knowing the routines and movements of your prey tips the balance of a hunt. General Amsel is a creature of habit. He inspects each German garrison every day. We can use this building to flank his route.
Sniper! Get inside now! Son's almost gone. We'll have to flush him out before we move on. Follow me! The shot came from across the river. Here! The building with the banners!
Now the game is cat and mouse. I will draw his fire. Keep your eyes open for the flag. Ready?
Now! Third floor, right side. I'm going to draw his fire again. Get ready to take him out. Did you see him? He knows exactly where we are. I cannot risk it again. It's up to you to find him now. Stay out of the light. If he fires, move. He spotted you! Get up! The patrols will surely have heard those shots. We need to get moving. Good hunting!
Shh! German patrol. Let them pass.
They have found us! We need to leave now! Hit the floor! They are trying to burn us! Stay low! Try not to breathe! They are surrounding the building!
Her mit dem Flammenwerfer! Verbrennt diese Russenschweine!
Dimitri! We thought you were among the dead in the massacre at the square.
He was. Among them, but not one of them.
We're about to assault the communication post north of here.
Good! Such a move will prevent the German command calling for help. Dimitri and I will provide cover from above. Wait till you hear the screams of dying Germans. Dimitri, this way! Up the ladder!
This way, comrades. Take positions and wait for the signal.